Okay, my little angels. So let's sorry. Let's take a look at these two problems. All right, so we have 1/4 plus 1/3. Somebody tell me what is the first step to doing this? Give you a hint. Yes, we need to find a common multiple of 4 and 3. So 4, 8, count with me here, 12, 16, 20, 24. Okay, awesome. And now we'll do 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. Oh, I see it. Do you see it? There it is. So that means whatever my answer is over here is going to have a 12 as the denominator. Now, Ms. Huff pointed out that you might need more room to do this. So if you need to do it on a separate sheet of paper, absolutely do it on a separate sheet of paper. But one way you can do it is just kind of like this and figure out what are you going to multiply this 1/4 by to get 12. What are you going to multiply it by? What are you going to multiply the 4 by to get 12? You're going to multiply it by 3, right? So if you're going to multiply it by 3, you're going to also have to multiply the top by 3. Yes? Yes. So that makes times 3. So the bottom will be 4 times 3, which is 12. And then the top will be 1 times 3, which is 3. Okay? I'm going to use a different color for the other side so I don't get confused. And that is going to come right over here. Remember, I'm trying to make it 12. And also, I'm noticing that it's 1/4 plus 1/3. So I'm going to go ahead and put my plus here to remember I'm doing addition. Okay, so what am I going to have to multiply the 3 here, my denominator 3, to get 12? I'm going to have to multiply by 4. That's right. So 3 times 4, if I look at the denominator, 3 times 4 is 12. I got that. Now I have to do the numerator. 1 times 4 is 4. Good. So now I essentially have what I need to add these up because now I've made them have common denominators. So what is my problem? It is 3 12s plus 4 12s. And what do I get when I add 3 12s plus 4 12s? Well, I get 7 12s. And that is going to be my answer, 7 12s. Now, I'm noticing I already have the multiples of 4 listed over here. So I'm just going to add 5 right next to it. Since I already have my 4s done, why reinvent the wheel, right? So put 5 here and count by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, and look, we have 4. My denominator, let me highlight, maybe that'll be better. My denominator of 4 here and 5 here. So look, 4 and 5. And what is the common denominator for 4 and 5? It is 20. So 3/4 is going to have to become something over 20. And 1/5 is going to have to become something over 20. And my operation is addition. So I'm going to go ahead and put that there. So in your mind right now, try and do a little mental math. What's going to be your answer? Can you figure it out in your head without having to write it out? If you can't, so sorry, that was a belch. Sorry, I belched. Okay, I'm going to have to multiply 4 times 5. So I know that when I do 4 times 5, that'll be 20. What is 3 times 5 going to be? 15. And now over here, 5 times what is 20? 5 times 4. So I already know 5 times 4 is 20. Now do the numerator. 1 times 4 is 4. So my answer is 19 over 20 because I'm adding 15 plus 4, and of course my numerator stays the same.